Hi there, so a lot of my viewers requested the recipe for Chinese chow mein. Here it is. As usual for the prep work, we're going to prepare and slice the vegetables we're going to use for this stir-fry dish. Simply clean and devein the shrimp, get the poop out. Furthermore, we're going to make this sauce mixture with the ingredients I have listed here. Simply mix and make sure everything is dissolved. For this recipe, egg noodles is recommended, which can be found at Asian store. Simply put noodles in boiling water for under a minute, sear with hot oil and loosen it up with chopsticks. Here comes a really important part of the recipe. Simply stir fry the noodles on medium heat until it's crispy. Remove from the heat. We are almost there. Once we throw in the vegetables and the protein of your choice, simply stir fry for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add in the egg noodles and the sauce mixture. Simply mix it together until it's fully and evenly seasoned. Finally, garnish with spring onion. There you have it. My full recipe is in a bio link. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.